Namaskarams and welcome to the first episode of Munch and Mull with Sujata. So today I am going to be sharing a recipe made with millet, that is finger millet, which is popularly called as ragi. It is also known as kulvarg in Tamil, nachani in Marathi. It just takes 5 minutes. A brilliant start for our day. Millets per se have a very high nutritional content in terms of their fibre, in terms of vitamins and minerals, and finger millet is also rich in calcium. And above all, millets have a very low glycemic index, that is they release sugar in a very gradual way, so it's very good for diabetics. Of course, it is healthy for all age groups. So let's look at the ingredients that go into making the ragi porridge. Here I have taken about 4 tablespoons of sprouted ragi flour. Even normal ragi flour is good enough. 2 tablespoons of raw cane sugar. 2 fistfuls of soaked groundnuts which have been soaked overnight. It gives a crunchy feel to the porridge and of course makes it more nutritional. 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. Both the groundnuts and coconut are optional. Half a cup of milk, which is again optional, vegans can do without the milk, and 4 glasses of water to make the porridge. All these ingredients except the milk have been sourced from BioBasics, a social venture which promotes genuine organic produce from small farmers and farmer groups. So now let's look at the very simple recipe of ragi porridge. So now let's take the ragi flour. We will add water little by little to mix it without forming lumps. I'm adding the water. Okay. So it's a uniform mixture here. I add the raw cane sugar. Actually that's all to it. Now we heat it, and while heating we should take care that we constantly stir the mixture, otherwise the ragi settles at the bottom. We need to stir this. It hardly takes about 3 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes maximum to cook. Keep stirring it continuously. You can see that it is thickening now. Here. It's thickened up. It's almost done. So I'm going to switch off the gas now. After switching off the gas, I'm going to add the coconut, the soaked groundnuts, stir it. And the important thing to remember is, after the gas is switched off, we add preferably half a cup of cold milk, because of the fact that if we add hot milk, it may curdle due to the presence of cane sugar. And here our nutritional ragi porridge is ready to kickstart our day. Depending on the consistency that you would like, you can minimize the water content or add a little extra water. And now for the mull point. India has such a rich diversity of recipes which are tasty and nutritious too. So should we fall prey to today's fast food? Example, cornflakes, which are of course easy to give our children in the morning, but do they fulfill the nutritional requirements? So should we encourage our traditional recipes or fall prey to the fast food industry? Do mull over this question and leave your comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I invite you to join me at Munch and Mull, where traditional flavors meet a green future. Do share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications of newest videos uploaded. Thank you and Namaskarams.